I was asked to redesign the room, and that's what it looks like. Alright, let's see what we can do. Well, before we start, let's tidy up the room. I remodeled the entire room using a 3D software. It's not perfect, especially when I don't have the actual dimensions of the room, but I think it'll get the job done. With all the furniture gone, well, I guess we can start. Well, let's repaint the room first. In order to preserve some of its original characteristics, I'm keeping one of the wall green. The rest of the walls and ceiling though, I'm painting them white. It makes the room feel much more spacious. The second thing I want to do is increase the storage. If we look at the original photo, there's actually no shelving. Let's create some custom cupboards next to the fireplace. One on either side to maintain the symmetry, and some decorative molding to tie the overall aesthetics. And there you go. Lastly, the cat. When I first saw the photo, I actually noticed there is actually a cat. So let's create something that makes the cat enjoy the living room much more. Under the right topmost corner, let's introduce some shelves. That way the cat can actually jump from the floor all the way to the ceiling and actually have its own circulation. And this is what it looks like. Well, there you have it. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and I could be designing your room next. See you next time.